Good morning, welcome and welcome back. I'm back with a very quick recipe, quick and easy recipe for your little one. These are banana stuffed silver dollar pancakes. I'm starting off with my bananas. This one is a cold banana that I had left over in the fridge. I just wanted to see if it made a difference using cold or room temperature bananas, which it didn't. But I'm just getting my pancake mix ready, and then we're gonna dip our bananas and put them in the pan. This cute little idea came from Instagram. My mom sent it to me the other day, and I just thought it was a cute little quick and easy recipe for a snack or breakfast. You can cut your bananas at whatever thickness you want. I did say that the next time I make this, I'm going to try them a little thinner. And here I am dipping the bananas in pancake mix, and then I'm just going to put them in my pan just like if I was making regular pancakes. Some of them I did have to turn on the sides just to make sure they were cooked all the way through. But it didn't take long at all. And there you have it, done in minutes. I paired my sons with grapes and maple syrup. Let me know if you guys decide to try this. Thanks for watching. Bye.